Now that Moses has smelled the park, he's ready to play with other dogs. And he wants to go fetch a ball.